Lutron Caseta Shades review. Are they the best smart motorized blinds for your home? Thinking about adding motorized shades to your space, but feeling overwhelmed by the options? The Lutron Caseta Shades might catch your eye, simple, reliable, and surprisingly quick. But do they really tick all the boxes? Let's dive into what makes these shades stand out, and where they might leave you wanting more. First off, speed and quiet operation are the stars here. These shades open and close pretty darn fast. Think about 25 seconds for a full 66-inch stretch, much quicker than some competitors. And they do so while barely making a sound. Perfect if you're trying to keep things peaceful, or don't want the toddler waking up when you raise the blinds. However, there's a catch. Without an extra hub, these shades aren't truly smart. Yes, you read that right. They need a separate $80 Lutron Smart Hub to connect to your phone or voice commands. And that's not included in the box. A bit frustrating for anyone expecting a plug-and-play setup right out of the gate. Plus, to add remote control capabilities, you'll need to shell out an extra $27 for their basic remote. Price-wise, they start around $399 for standard sizes and styles like rollers or honeycombs. But if you want blackout effects or larger sizes, it'll cost more. And don't forget, the batteries. On average, these shades run on D batteries, 2 or 3 per unit, and replacing them can get pricey and inconvenient, especially with frequent use. Installing these shades isn't too complicated. Most people should manage it with some basic tools, though the instructions are sparse. A quick scan of a QR code is all you get. During testing, I ran into a small hiccup when one of the plastic clips snapped, causing a shade to drop. Luckily, a replacement didn't have the same issue, but it's something to keep in mind if you're frequently changing batteries. In the world of motorized shades, these are a solid middle ground. They are faster and quieter than some alternatives like Smart Wings or Blinds Magic, but they also demand that extra hub for smart features, which is a potential turn-off. They look a bit plain and utilitarian, nothing fancy, but they work well enough for daily use. So, are they worth your investment? If you're after sleek operation, decent speed, and don't mind paying a little extra for the hub, they are a decent choice. Just keep in mind the extra costs and the need for smart home compatibility if that's your goal. Overall, the Lutron Caseta Shades deliver on performance, even if they don't come with all the bells and whistles right from the box.